Welcome everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of Ansible on Windows. I know Linux users may smirk, but yes, Windows deserves automation too. We'll start with an introduction to Ansible, cover setup essentials, learn how to execute playbooks, and wrap up with best practices. By the end, Windows automation won't feel like a puzzle, but more like a well-orchestrated symphony. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13+ years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Ansible is like that reliable friend who gets things done without making a fuss. But wait, Windows. Yes, Ansible supports Windows too. We'll explore why you should use it, how it differs from Linux automation, and why it's a blessing for Windows administrators. No more endless clicking, just clean, efficient automation. Setting up Ansible on Windows sounds intimidating, but trust me, it's easier than assembling IKEA furniture. We'll install the control node, configure Windows hosts, ensure connectivity, and tackle common setup hurdles. By the time we're done, you'll feel like an automation wizard. Before running Ansible, we need the right ingredients: Python, Ansible dependencies, and WinRM configuration. Think of it like baking. Get the right mix and voila, automation magic. We'll also tweak firewall settings and verify the installation. No recipe fails here. Managing users and permissions is like being the bouncer at a VIP club. You decide who gets in and what they can do. First, we define roles so people have the right level of access. Group permissions make life easier by avoiding individual setups. Strong authentication and password rules keep security tight. And finally, keeping an eye on user activities helps catch any funny business before it escalates. Manually installing software is so last decade. Playbooks make life easier by automating the whole process. Dependencies. No problem, they're managed automatically. Regular updates keep our systems running smoothly and securely. And of course, we double-check that everything installs correctly because nothing's worse than software that plays hard to get. Imagine setting up 100 machines manually. It would be a nightmare, right? Automation is the superhero here. Standard configurations keep things uniform. Templates ensure consistency across systems. Less manual work means fewer human errors. And best of all, automation ensures compliance, making auditors happy and headaches fewer. Errors happen, it's part of life, like forgetting your coffee on the roof of your car. The key is knowing what to look for. Logs and debugging tools are our detectives. Error handling mechanisms ensure smooth recovery. And of course, we always test playbooks first, so surprises don't catch us off guard. Nobody likes a slow system. Optimizing playbooks means cutting unnecessary tasks, streamlining execution, and making things run fast. Parallelizing operations speeds up processes significantly. Finally, monitoring performance ensures we're always improving. Because let's face it, waiting for slow scripts is a productivity killer. Security isn't optional, it's a must. Strict access controls prevent unauthorized entry. Encrypted communication ensures data stays private. Regular audits help find weaknesses before attackers do. And protecting sensitive data keeps businesses safe from costly breaches. Because nobody wants to be the next headline. Troubleshooting is detective work. You need to identify the real culprit. Checking logs is like looking for fingerprints at a crime scene. Proven fixes make problem-solving easier. And documenting resolutions helps future you or your team avoid repeating the same mistakes. We covered a lot: managing users, automating tasks, troubleshooting, and securing playbooks. The key takeaway: keep learning. Advanced techniques will push your skills further. And don't forget to engage with the community. You'd be surprised how much you can learn from others. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.